Some of you might know the entrance to this place. Been wanting to come here for a long time. Got the truck and trailer, now we can finally come down.
Yeah, being missing. Oh no, it's green too. Never mind.
Well, so they got a line here at Maryland International. We lost the video footage of everything. Wife got a little bit on her phone, but it was strictly just clear back by the track after the shutdown, I believe, other than one video. I guess I'll add that in here. But yeah, unfortunately we lost the video inside the car. But we went down to the IREV event, and this was our first pass. This is where they hold the World Cup finals, if you guys didn't know. We actually had it turned down. 7.4 to the 8th. When it's turned down, it really runs slow to the 8th, you know. 7.4. Still on 11.3 at 126. It was flying out the back end. And of course, at a big track like that, no cage in this car. He yelled about it and told me to, you know, let out and, you know, I can't do this, I can't, you know, blah, blah, blah. The normal track stuff. So, what we did was, figured, let's go for the 8th. So, as you can see, that's my car number. That's my car number in the first pass. Alright, the second pass, I did a 168 60 foot. Way better than the 185, which was terrible. I wish we would have went up on this one first. And then we did 100 mile an hour in the 8th. At a 7.2.4. And then we left out. But as you can tell, guys, that was a really good pass. And we'll go back to Beaver Springs. If you guys can tell, our best pass at Beaver, it's hard to see because the slip is about messed up. It's a 7.22. Here it was a 7.24, so it was really close to that, and that was 11.5. That was 11.8 because I left out at the 8th at 87 mile an hour. So that would have been close to being, you know, the best pass. It was on par for it. And then we played nice again. Then we went 7.224. If you guys look, 7.224 to the 8th. And the reason why we were doing that is because they only, you know, they were bitching about us having a cage, can't go 11, you can't go faster than 11.5, blah blah blah. So I figured, let's try to get this number down here and then send it out the back door. Left out of again 11.6, so we were right there. The mile an hour was even a little bit better than what it was in Beaver, but it was identical, 7.224. Just a little bit more mile an hour. That would have been a nice pass to run out the back, you know. So I figured let's run out the back. And then when I did that, we ended up having a little crappier pass through the 8th. As I shifted a little too early and had a bad 60 foot, guys. But look how bad that was. I'm on 11.12, which our fastest pass of the year. Oh, no, not on this one. My bad. 11.2 it went. At 126. Fastest mile an hour of the year. It was almost 127. And then we finally went up there. And that felt good, so I ran out the back door again. They didn't say nothing on this one. So I did it one more time before I left. I should have stayed and did another pass, but I didn't. But 11.415 or 11.15 and 11.14 here. We're a little bit better down at sea level. It was still real high in the really high, man. I think the DA was like 1700 still, which sucked. We could have did much better, but 722, 722.8. This was a 722.4, so this was still a little bit better to the 8th than this one. Both with a 169 60 foot. But that's the fastest pass so far of 2021. I couldn't remember the down year, guys. Yeah, 11.14. Sorry for the lack of the video, and this probably wasn't very interesting, but I wanted to show you guys, and plus, I like keeping this stuff for myself, even to go back and watch on one day, or later this year when I lose the slip. I might not even post it, but if I do, thanks for watching.